the decision was go. And the reason why that particular event may have been registered, that's the right word to use, is because it had enormous meaning that would play out in the future.
Or it could be an anticipatory response in the mass consciousness pool.
That's right. But ultimately, we really don't know. We can only speculate.
Oh, this is fascinating work you're doing. Absolutely fascinating. Pretty exciting stuff, I would say.
I should also add, we're asked to do this, that the purpose of this experiment acts as a true monitor. And in order to behave as a monitor, it has an interesting paradox in terms of the entire project. The more attention that is brought to the project itself, the less effective the project is able to work. So we have this problem we discussed right after the analysis of September 11th. What do we do with this? What do we do with this information?
Kind of like an astronomer who's trying to look through the lights of the city.
Well, it's worse than that.
Yeah, it is worse.
The astronomer looking up at the sky and finding some amazing thing, and then it goes out over the news wires, and everyone turns on their lights and tries to see it. And of course, the use of the telescope needs to disappear.
So just the news of your project, your ongoing project, creates additional non-randomness as people consider the concept. Would that be fair?
More specifically, as they consider the global consciousness project itself. It puts a big fudge on our telescope lens. So I have been giving talks, and Roger's given talks and writing papers and so on, but it's mainly for academic groups. We're at this point, we really are pretty ignorant about what's happening.
So for that very reason, you're shy of publicity.
Well, I'm not sure that I personally am, but certainly the project.
Yes.
The project is very shy of publicity. And we recognize the paradox here that it is designed to be an open experiment. It's been online, on the web, all of the data is available. Anybody can download it and check any of these calculations. Anybody can contribute in any way that they wish. But that opens an inherent paradox, as I've explained, that the more people who get interested in this, the more difficult it is, both pragmatically, because it's only a bunch of us who are volunteers who are basically running this experiment. We can't handle the millions of people who suddenly become interested and send emails and want to participate and so on. It's just overload in lots of different ways.
If you are able to scientifically and conclusively prove that there is a mass consciousness, and that is in fact what you're measuring, what is the significance of that, and where might it lead? I realize that calls for speculation.
Yeah, that even pushes speculation down into fantasy, probably. I think the simplest way of thinking about this, or the baseline result, is that mind and matter are interconnected in some fundamental way. That's like the baseline. Beyond that, we really start having to pull up images of metaphors to even begin to grasp what's happening. So one of the metaphors that I've been playing with recently is that consciousness itself is something like a gigantic ocean. And each individual consciousness is like a wave which rests for a moment and has an individual existence, except it's still connected to the ocean itself. And then that individual existence relaxes and goes back into the ocean. So our eggs, which are distributed around the world, are the equivalent of a buoy. We've airdropped a bunch of buoys in this ocean. And most of the time, the buoys are sort of jostled around randomly by the local waves and the local winds. And what we're looking for are instances where the entire ocean behaves in an unusual way. And if that occurred, you'd see it immediately because the motion of all the buoys would suddenly have a certain kind of coherence to them.
Very good analogy, and it leads me to another question. It is my understanding, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, but it's my understanding that the eggs reacted they did not react during the 9/11 business in precisely the same way at the same time. In other words, you had some varying